Good morning, students. I am your math teacher. Students, today I will teach you comparison of fraction, addition and subtraction of fraction, proper, improper, and unit fraction. Okay. Now let us start. Which is smaller, 2 by 5 or 2 by 7? Okay. The given fraction have the same numerator. Okay. The fraction with a larger denominator is smaller than other. 2 by 7 is larger denominator, so 2 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 5. Then you will write answer 2 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 5. See students, जिस फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर सेम होगा तो उस फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर जिसका लार्ज होगा दैट विल बी द स्मॉलर. ओके, 2 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 5. Now which is greater? In this example numerator is the same, so 5 by 8 is greater. Smaller number, smaller denominator will be greater. Okay, now see answer. 5 by 8 is greater than 5 by 11. Now arrange the following fraction in descending order. In the same way, children, the given fraction have the same numerator. Okay, so the greatest number will be the smallest. Now arrange. 4 by 13 is greater fraction, so 4 by 13 is smaller. Then 4 by 11, 4 by 11, then 4 by 9, 4 by 7 and 4 by 5. Okay, it is in ascending order. Now arrange in the descending order. In the same way, children, in this given fraction the numerator is the same, so the largest denominator will be the smallest and the smallest denominator will be the largest. Okay, so see, 3 by 4 is largest, then 3 by 5, 3 by 7, 3 by 8 and smallest is 3 by 10. Now see some more example of like and unlike fractions. What is like and unlike fraction? Fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. See children, in this fraction all denominator are the same, so these fractions are like fractions. Okay, and fraction with the different denominator are called unlike fractions. See example, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 8, 5 by 7 are different, have the different denominator. That's why these are the example of unlike fraction. Okay, now see next question. Now see some more example, student. Which is greater? The numerator is same, so 4 by 7 is greater. Okay, now second example, 10 by 23 and 10 by 19. Numerator are same, so 10 by 19 is greater. Now arrange in ascending order. Now the greatest denominator will be the smallest. Then 3 by 11, 3 by 9, 3 by 7, 3 by 5, 3 by 4 are in ascending order. Now arrange the fractions in descending order. Now smallest denominator will be the largest. Okay, because the numerator are the same. Now see, 4 by 7, 4 by 9, 4 by 11, 4 by 13 and 4 by 15 are in descending order. Now add. When denominator will be the same, we will add only numerator. and LCM will be 15. And now I will add this numerator digit, 4 plus 7 plus 2, and 4 7 2 is 13 and LCM is 15. So answer is 13 by 15. Okay. Now second example, 9 by 16 and 5 by 16. Now first of all, we will put the symbol of addition, 9 by 16 plus 9 by 16. Now we will add 9 plus 5 by 16. 9 and 5 will be 14 by 16. Okay. Now see some more questions. Find the difference. The denominator are the same, so we will subtract only numerator. 12 minus 8 by 17. 12 में से 8 subtract कीजिए, 4. 4 by 17 will be the answer. Now second example, 1 by 8 from 5 by 8. Students, from के बाद वाली digit को हम पहले लिखते हैं. As you know, then you will write 5 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Now subtract numerator, 5 minus 1 by 8. 4 upon 8 will be the answer. 5 में से 1 subtract करेंगे, 4. 4 by 8 is the answer. Now, what is unit fraction? Fraction with numerator 1 are called unit fraction. Example, 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 10, etc. are unit fraction. See students, this fraction का numerator will be 1, that will be the unit fraction. Okay. Now, write the division as fraction. Division को आपको fraction में convert करने के लिए you will write 13 by 5. जिस digit को divide करना है that will be the numerator, और जिससे आप divide करते हैं that will be the denominator. Okay. Now in the same way 27 will be numerator and 9 will be denominator. Write fraction as division. Now you will write division fraction into division form. Okay. 5 is numerator, that's why 5 is dividend and 9 is divisor. Okay. 5 divided by 9. In the same way 80 divided by 25. 80 is numerator, so dividend, and 25 is divisor. Okay. Now next, what is proper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Example, 2 by 7, 69 by 17, 19 by 29, 18 by 19. See students, इन सभी के numerator less है than the denominator. Denominator से numerator less है. Okay. Now, improper fraction. What is improper fraction? A fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator or equal its denominator is called improper fraction. Example, 10 by 3, 11 by 7, 7 by 7, 29 by 6, 9 by 3, 71 by 70 are improper fractions. See students, सभी के न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से ग्रेटर है. ओके. जिस फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर होगा डिनोमिनेटर से, दैट विल बी द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ओके. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कन्वर्ट द मिक्स्ड नंबर इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स्ड नंबर को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? होल नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड न्यूमरेटर को प्लस करेंगे. होल इज 2, 2 इंटू 7, डिनोमिनेटर इज 7 प्लस 3, न्यूमरेटर को प्लस करना है. 7 2 ज़ा 14 प्लस 3, 17 by 7. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, 6 होल 5 by 9. नाउ होल नंबर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 6 इंटू 9 एंड क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को प्लस करेंगे. 5 इज न्यूमरेटर. देन 6 into 9 plus 5 upon 9. Okay. Now 6 9 ja 54 plus 5. 54 plus 5, 59 by 9. Now convert the improper fraction into mixed number. Improper fraction को mixed number में convert करने के लिए you will do division. Okay. Now आप numerator को 5 से divide कर दीजिए. Then जो क्वेश्चन आएगा बच्चों, दैट विल बी द होल. क्वेश्चन इज 2, देन 2 इज होल एंड न्यूमरेटर जो रिमाइंडर आएगा दैट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर. रिमाइंडर इज 4, सो न्यूमरेटर इज 4 एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी द सेम. सो आंसर विल बी 2 होल 4/5. सी अगेन, 14/5 को आपको इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको डिनोमिनेटर से न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करना होगा. ओके. एंड जो आंसर आएगा, क्वेश्चन आएगा, दैट विल बी होल. 2 होल एंड जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा दैट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर. देन 4/5 एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी द सेम. नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, 35/8 को आपको इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करना है. देन यू डिवाइड अगेन. आप न्यूमरेटर को 8 से डिवाइड कीजिए डिनोमिनेटर से. आपने डिवाइड किया, आंसर आ जाएगा 4. देन क्वेश्चन विल बी द होल एंड रिमाइंडर इज 3, सो इट विल बी न्यूमरेटर. ओके. 4 होल 3/8. दिस इज द आंसर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू. नाउ डू योर वर्क.